Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a stable Roblox session and the right Autofarm build for Blox Fruits 2025. Open the executor or GUI you trust. Once done, inject the script while on the game load screen so the hooks attach cleanly. Make sure to choose a private server or low-pop lobby to avoid interference. This reduces lag and detection. You'll see initial prompts from the GUI. Follow them to bind keys and select the basic farming profile before moving on to configuration. Next, you configure what the auto farm will do and why each choice matters. Pick NPC targets by level band so experience gains stay efficient, then set range limits to avoid pulling entire islands, which can cause lag. Enable anti-stuck and pathing smoothing to prevent teleport loops, and set auto-heal at a safe threshold to minimize deaths. Also enable auto-collect for fruits and drops. Once configured, test with a short run to confirm movement and combat. Behave as expected before full sessions. Begin a monitored farming session of 5 to 10 minutes and watch health, XP increments, and your character's pathing. If the bot stalls or repeatedly teleports, pause and reduce engagement range or switch pathing mode. This fixes most stuck loops. If you see abnormal server messages or suspect detection, stop immediately, close the session, and update or remove the script. One key troubleshooting tip: if performance drops, restart Roblox and run the script on a fresh private server to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.